Okay, so this video is for anyone who's been spraying non-stop and still has bed bugs. You'll learn why spraying alone fails and a clear plan you can start tonight to actually stop the bites. Here's the thing, spraying everything can make the problem worse. This guide lays out immediate steps to cut bites, a practical treatment schedule, and how to use sprays the smart way so you can get sleep back. You can get the exact tools we used. To see the products we recommend to get rid of bed bugs, click the link below. I'll mention other specifics as we go. This is important. Stop dousing every surface. Use targeted actions that actually reach bugs, plus encasements, heat, and monitoring so the problem stops for good. Okay, so the first problem is reach. Sprays miss the deep hiding spots. People overspray, which just scatters bugs. And many bugs tolerate common sprays, so spraying by itself doesn't break the cycle. This one matters. Spraying mattresses and bedding can just contaminate the things you sleep on, and the effect often doesn't last long enough to matter. Here's what actually works. Combine steps that stop bites now, expose hiding bugs, protect your bed, and block reinfestation. Sprays are only one piece when used correctly. You need layers, protect the bed, use heat, monitor with interceptors, seal hiding spots, vacuum, and then use sprays only where they reach bugs. That combo is what ends infestations. If you want fewer bites tonight, do a few focused things this evening. They're simple and they work fast. Okay, so tonight start with an encasement on the mattress and box spring. Wash and dry bedding on high heat for 30 minutes. Pull the bed away from walls and anything that bedding can touch. Get interceptors under the bed legs to catch climbing bugs and show activity. If you're getting bites, sleep on laundered bedding inside the encasement to cut down new bites right away. If you use sprays, use them where they matter. Here's how to make sprays help instead of harm. Use a contact spray only on visible bugs and seams. Put residual where bugs travel, like baseboards and cracks. Never spray a mattress. Use an encasement and heat wash bedding instead. This one's important. Always follow the label. Keep sprays away from kids and pets and run a fan or open windows when you use them. You need repetition to catch bugs hatching later. Here's a practical schedule you can follow and adjust. Try twice weekly targeted sprays for the first month, then drop to once a week for 2 to 3 months while you keep using encasements, laundering, interceptors, sealing, and vacuuming. Don't skip the why. Each control has a purpose, and together they remove hiding places and stop reinfestation. Encase the mattress to remove a major hiding spot. Heat launder fabrics to kill eggs. Use interceptors and move the bed to prevent bites and monitor. Target residuals on travel routes. Repeat treatments to catch newly hatched bugs. If you want the exact products we recommend, for the products we recommend to treat bed bugs, click the link below. I've used these in the plan I just described. Here's a short, doable week plan. Do these steps in order and keep repeating the controls. Day 1. Put encasements on and wash bedding hot, then sleep on laundered sheets inside the encasement. Day 2. Move the bed, set interceptors, and inspect with a flashlight. Day 3. Vacuum seams and cracks. Use contact spray on what you see, and residual on travel routes. Keep laundering weekly until you hit 3 months with no signs. Check interceptors. Separate clean clothes, store cleaned items sealed if needed, and seal cracks and crevices to remove hiding spots. You'll see the signs go away slowly. Watch interceptors and look for absence of fresh evidence over time. This is the milestone. If you go 3 months with no live bugs, no shed skins, no fecal spots, and no blood spots, the infestation is very likely gone. That's what you're working toward. I know this feels exhausting. The key is steady, consistent action, not panic spraying. Keep at it. I know it's tiring, but endless spraying without a plan is what keeps bugs coming back. Protect the bed, use heat, monitor, vacuum, and seal hiding spots, and use sprays only where they reach bugs. You can do this. For our recommended tools and supplies, click the link below. Stay calm and stick with the steps. Give it time, and with consistent action, you'll stop the bites and sleep through the night again.